Organic Worm Castings by Soto here. I just wanted to give you an update on my 2 worm bins that I started on July 17th. The last feeding I gave to them was July 26th, which was Friday, and as you can see, they're ready for a new feeding, so I thought I'd take you along. So I've gone ahead and brought the 2 worms into the house because the traffic was starting to get a little too noisy, and I'm going to go ahead and give them a toss. And as you can see, the worm castings are coming along just fine, and the worms are very happy here. And now I'll go ahead and do the other one. So this worm bin was started, as I said earlier, on July 17th. The last feeding was 3 days ago on July 26th. And I'm going to go ahead with this worm bin and give them just a little bit more water. Make it a little more moist. And the other thing that I did, I'm not sure if you noticed, but the worm bin sides have been cleaned. And all I do is I simply just take a paper towel and I go ahead and just wipe it. And then once this paper towel gets all filled like this with the casting remains, I go ahead and I tear it up and I add it to the worm bin. And the worms will go ahead and eventually eat that as well. So this is an update on my July 17th newly started worm bin. And as I said, I like to keep the bins moist. They're not dry. And this helps out with warmer temperatures, because over here where I'm at, it can get up to 105 degrees, and lately it's been up to 103, and it doesn't look like it's going to lighten up anytime soon. So I have no problem with the worms being in a moist bin, and they seem to enjoy it that way. As I said, I'm not your traditional worm farmer, but if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe, and you'll be notified if you ring the bell when I make another video update. Until then, if you have a comment, go ahead and write it down below in the comment section. And if you like the video, I wouldn't mind you hitting the like button. Anyway, just remember, any time you start a worm bin, it's going to be profitable to your garden. So whatever way you choose, they're all good. Black gold is the way to go, and until then, I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. Be blessed. Organic Worm Casting by Soto signing off for now.